Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your phone, how to rotate touchpad on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 in Samsung DeX mode. If you want to use the touchpad rotated on your Samsung, then if you have it connected to a monitor in Samsung DeX mode, you will need to open the touchpad. If you have three buttons at the bottom, you can see I don't have them, I have the navigation bar, but if you had them, you will have a button on the very left side of this like three buttons bar, in the very bottom left corner, and that will open the touchpad. It will be somewhere here. But I actually have the navigation bar, so I can slide down from the left top part of the screen to click on use your phone as a touchpad. Now I'm in the touchpad mode. And if you want to rotate it, either rotate your phone, the touchpad will rotate with it. You can see now I'm in the vertical mode. It does work perfectly fine. Now, if you have your rotation lock enabled, then you may want to double click on this very little button here in the top right corner of the touchpad. I don't know if you can see it. I barely can see it. But once you double tap on it, it rotates the touchpad. Now it is rotated. But it only has two options that way, because you can either rotate it so the camera is on the left side, or once you rotate it, the camera is on the top. But you never can rotate it with this button so that the camera is on the right side or on the bottom, which also you can rotate that way with auto rotation. So there's like just three options. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.